Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering a microwave-safe ceramic mug or bowl, a microwave-safe plate for a cover, a fork, and a teaspoon of butter or oil. Check your microwave power in watts. Most are 700-1100 W, and plan to adjust times accordingly. Always pierce whole yolks before cooking and stir beaten eggs before microwaving to prevent pressure buildup and explosions. Keep a cloth or oven mitt nearby. Containers get hot. Measure seasonings and add a tablespoon of water per egg for steam. This prevents rubbery texture. Crack one large egg into a microwave-safe mug, add 1 tablespoon of water, a pinch of salt, pepper, and 1 teaspoon of butter or oil. Beat with a fork until uniformly mixed. Cover the mug with a microwave-safe plate or paper towel to catch splatters. Microwave on high in 20-30 second bursts, pausing to stir vigorously between bursts to redistribute heat and avoid overcooked edges. Continue until the eggs are mostly set. Residual heat will finish cooking. Total time usually ranges from 45 to 90 seconds, depending on microwave wattage and egg size. To poach, pour 1/2 cup cold water into a small microwave-safe ramekin, crack in 1 egg, gently press the yolk, cover with a saucer, and microwave on high for 45-75 seconds. Let rest 30 seconds before lifting the egg out with a slotted spoon. For a microwave omelet, whisk 2 eggs with 2 tablespoons milk, add chopped vegetables or 30 grams cheese, pour into a greased bowl, cover, and microwave in 30-second bursts for a total of 90-120 seconds, stirring once halfway until set but moist. Season and serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.